Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Thanks for joining me. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Minecraft Ghast. We're going to get started by drawing the top edge of the head. So we start on the left side. I'm going to draw a straight line going across. Now from the top, so we're going to draw two straight lines coming down the same length as we have on top. And then the right. Now let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to move up to the top half of the square and draw on the eyes. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. On the left and right, we're going to draw a short line coming down. Now along the top, we're going to stretch this line out towards the side to right about there. And then we'll come down the sides with that same length line as we have on the inside. And then we'll close off the bottom. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to move down towards the bottom and draw in the mouth. So we're going to leave a gap along the bottom here, draw a line going across from left to right. Go up the sides, and then we'll close off the top. Again, we're going to fill this area in black. Now let's go in and add some detail to the face. Underneath the left eye, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down. One on the left, and one on the right. And we'll close this off with a straight line. I want to do the exact same thing over on the right, coming down to the same height. Now I'm going to step down and draw two small squares. So we're going to leave a gap, line up against the left and right, come down the sides, and close off the bottom. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Add a couple marks along the side. In line with this bottom line, we're going to step out towards the side of the head, come in, all right, come down, and then we'll go back out. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Lined up here, go across the top, come down the side, and then out. Now we're going to leave a gap and do the same thing along the bottom. Starting on the outside, coming in, down, and then out. Now we're going to move up and draw on the brow. From this point, I want to step up, start with a point. From this point, we're going to come in with a straight line. We're going to stop right about there. Now we're going to go up the sides on the left and right. Let's close off the top. Now we're going to do the same thing over on the right side. From this corner, we're going to step up, start with that point, go up towards the top, and we're going to come in, go up on the inside, and then close off the top. And then we're going to turn up the brow. Starting from the top corner, we go all the way up towards the top of the head, and then from that same corner, we're going to come in, and then up towards the top of the head. Do the same thing over on the right. Now let's move down and draw the legs. We're going to start with that center leg first. So right in the center, go over to the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Now let's go to the right and do the same thing. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to move to the outside. We're going to angle these legs coming in. So from this corner, I want to step in. We're going to draw an angled line coming down and into right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Down and then in. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short line. Now I'm going to follow that same angled line going up in behind the body. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the side legs. So from this point, I'm going to angle up and in. Now again, we're going to follow that same angled line going up underneath the body. Now we're going to see the outside edge of the hind legs. So from this line, we're going to step in and go down and in behind the center leg. Do the same thing over on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our Minecraft Ghast. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.